afternoon. So guys, nandito ako at ako'y maggagala at magkakain. Eto na ako. Masarap na magain. Balik-balik. Hi to my vlog, kuya. Isa lang mo na dapat. Isa lang sa akin. Dito naman tayo sa portion ng mga seaweed, soya beans. Ayan guys, so yung mga soya beans, water chestnut. Ayun po yung bamboo shoot. Ayun guys, so yun o. Bamboo shoot. Isa lang ang kanilang flavor ng pizza. Grabe, nabusog ako. Isisimula pa lang ako, parang busog na ako guys. Want ice cream? I'll bring you all of this to your flight. No, I'm just joking. Oh, we need container. Wait. One for you. Let's have ice cream. Let's go. Wow. Mix up that green and the ube. Oh, yan sarap. Give me the green and the ube. Wow. Yan sarap. And ano ba yun? Nagulit ako. Walang camera tayo. Isip ko, wag na lang kaya. What is this? Para na kami sa dito. Ay, manda. Hindi lang namin. Sarap. Hi guys! Tapos na po kami dito sa Four Seasons at talaga namang nag-enjoy ako with our friends, group of friends, mga nurses. And thank you so much at kasama niyo ako sa lakad na to and I really enjoyed this night and I think it's closing now already so we have to pack and bye. We have to prepare now and we will go out again and maybe go to another place. Bye!